So the student, this is the last tutorial of your unit number 2. Today we discussing surface area and volume of the cylinder and the spheres. So let I give you some introduction about the cylinders and the sphere. Then we take their examples. આજે આપણે આ જે યુનિટ લેવાના છે આ ચેપ્ટર્સનું લાસ્ટ યુનિટ છે. આ ટ્યુટોરિયલ we will learn about cylinder and sphere and trying to solve their example which is related to the surface area and volume. So now we're discussing about something about the sphere and cylinders. So look the student, first of all, when we see the cylinders and when we use the spheres in day-to-day life. So these are some examples which on screen. We learn about the cone and the pyramids are not in your syllabus. So there is some example we can use in the day-to-day life. તમારા લોકોના સિલેબસમાં કોન અને પિરામિડ નથી, પણ બાકી 3 જે ફિગર્સ છે એ છે. અને આ ત્રણે ફિગર્સની જે ડે ટુ ડે યુઝ ક્યાં થાય છે એ આપણે જોઈએ. When we use the cube, it's like a Rubik cube. Solve the puzzles on our study table, maybe become like a cube form. Many gift, and this our dial. They all are form of cube. Today we discuss these two quantities, sphere and the cylinders. A cylinder have two types, open cylinder and closed cylinders. Open means which have a no top and bottom part, and closed cylinder that means which have which have a top and bottom both part. સિલિન્ડર ની અંદર તમારે લોકોને બે વસ્તુ ખાસ સ્ટુડન્ટ શીખવાની છે. સિલિન્ડર બે ટાઈપ્સ ના હશે, ઓપન સિલિન્ડર અને ક્લોઝ સિલિન્ડર. ઓપન સિલિન્ડર્સ ની અંદર શું, તમારી પાસે બુક્સ હશે ને એને તમે કઈ પણ આમ રાઉન્ડ શેપ ની અંદર ટર્ન કરો, સિલિન્ડર શેપ ની અંદર મૂવ કરો. આપણે ઘૂંઘરું વાળીએ ને એ રીતે તમે એને સિલિન્ડર શેપ ની અંદર કર્વ કરશો ને તે બની જશે તમારું ઓપન સિલિન્ડર. ક્લોઝ સિલિન્ડર એટલે આપણે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ ભરવાનો ડબ્બો લઈ લો ને, અનાજ ભરવાનો સિલિન્ડર શેપ ની અંદર, તો એ થઈ ગઈ ક્લોઝ, જેનો ટોપ ઉપર ઢાંકણું પણ છે અને નીચેનો તળિયો પણ છે. So we discuss the two type of cylinder here. The first is open and the second is closed cylinder. Open cylinder that means our pipe. Yes, any simple pipe. It's represent the open cylinder. And the closed cylinder that means any tin type of. If we take drink a beer bottle, is represent a closed cylinder. Second quantity, that is the sphere. The difference between the circle and sphere is circle is only one slide, and the sphere, which have some volume, which have some capacity to gain something. So cylinder is a 3D. It's a represent a 3D figure, and the circle is represent a 2D figure, and the cylinder circle have only one slide, and sphere is some space which is occupied in these full areas. So that is some example of the sphere. ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો, sphere અને કોન સર્કલ ની શું ડિફરન્સ છે. સર્કલ એટલે ખાલી એક સિમ્પલ સ્લાઇડ એ લોકો જેને કઈ વોલ્યુમ, જેને કોઈ હાઈટ નહીં હોય. ઓકે, આપણે કઈ પણ બુક્સ નું પેજ હોય ને એને પણ કટિંગ કરીને સર્કલ બનાવી શકે, એને કઈ હાઈટ નથી હોતી, હાઈટ એ ઇગ્નોરેબલ થઈ જાય છે, પણ સ્પિયર ને કઈક હાઈટ્સ હોય છે. ઓકે, એની અંદર તમે કઈક સમાઈ શકો. So this is the sphere. So today we study about the cylinder and the sphere. The both quantities are very interesting. Look at There is some example of cylinders. These things represent as cylinders. This tin and candles and paper roll. They all things are represent a cylinder form. They all have a shape like a cylinder. So these are some examples which we use in day-to-day lives. Look here. This is the open cylinder and the closed cylinder. If they are asking to find the curved surface area, that means they are saying to you, you can find the surface area of just that surrounding part, not upper and bottom. Because we have here two quantity to find the total surface area and just surface area. If they're asking to you find the surface area, that's mean the curved surface area, you just around it. Don't it go from the upper and lower part, means top and bottom. Look here, one candle and they ask to you find the surface area. Only surface area, not a total surface area. That's mean you can ignore the top and bottom part. If they're asking to find the total surface area, that's mean you can include this both part. And look here, the both parts are on the circle form. That's mean you can include the both upper and bottom circles area. And circles area that is the pi r square. તો અહીંયા આપણે શું કરવાનું છે તમને ક્વેશ્ચન ની અંદર પૂછશે કે ભાઈ સરફેસ એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરો અથવા ટોટલ સરફેસ એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરો. તો સરફેસ એરિયા વર્ડ યુઝ કરેલો હોય તો તમારે ખાલી કેન્ડલ્સ છે કવર જ કરવાની, એના ઉપર અને નીચેના ભાગને ટચ નહીં કરવાનો. પણ અમને તમને કીધું હોય કે ટોટલ સરફેસ એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરો તો એનો કવરિંગ પાર્ટ પણ આવશે અને એનો ટોપ અને બોટમ પાર્ટ પણ આવશે. તો આ બે વર્ડ ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો. શું ક્વેશ્ચન ની અંદર open, that's mean there is no top and bottom part. It's an open thing. So remember this thing. Look here. This is the wooden block. It's represent a closed cylinder. Okay. So they are asking to find the total surface area of this wooden block. And if you given like a figure, this is the red figure. Okay, so they are asking to you find the surface area because it has a no upper and bottom part. So now we discuss that formula here. So first of all, how it's generate the formula. મેં તમને લાસ્ટમાં કીધું હતું ને સરફેસ એરિયા એ આપણે જે 2D ફિગર્સ છે એને કમ્બાઈન કરીને સરફેસ એરિયા બનાવી દીધો છે. તો સિલિન્ડર ની અંદર કઈ બી 2D ફિગર્સ આવે છે તો સિલિન્ડર્સ ની અંદર એક તો રેક્ટેંગલ આવે છે. આ રેક્ટેંગલ સિલિન્ડર હોય ને એને કોઈ વચ્ચેથી કટ કરો અને એને ઓપન કરી નાખશો ટોપ ને બોટમ ને છોડીને તે એક રેક્ટેંગલ પાર્ટ બની જશે. તો સિલિન્ડર ઇઝ બીકમ લાઈક યુઝિંગ ઓફ one rectangle and the two circle. Okay, so take the sum, you get the surface area. If they are asking you to find the total surface area, so include these two circle. Otherwise, you just taking the rectangle surface area. And rectangle, that means whose area it's a length into breadth. Okay. ક્યારે પણ તમે કોઈ સિલિન્ડર્સ તમે બિયર્સ યા સમથિંગ બિયર નોટ પણ કોલ્ડ ડ્રિંક્સ પીતા હો કોક યા સમથિંગ તો એ કોકની બોટલે વચ્ચેથી કટ કરશો એનો અપર અને ટોપ ને જવા દો અને જે વચ્ચેનો ભાગ એનો તમે આમ સીધો કરશો ને તો એ રેક્ટેંગલ બની જશે. તો જ્યારે તમે ખાલી સરફેસ એરિયા કીધું હોય ને તો એ ખાલી રેક્ટેંગલ પાર્ટ ને લેવાનું, પણ ટોટલ સરફેસ એરિયા કીધું હોય ને તો એને ઉપરનું ઢક્કન અને નીચેનો બોટમ પાર્ટ બંને લેવાનું. અહીંયા હું તમને સર્વિસ એરિયા વર્ડ એટલા માટે કહું છું બીકોઝ બીએ ડિપ્લોમાની અંદર સરફેસ એરિયા વર્ડ યુઝ કર્યો છે પણ રિયલમાં સરફેસ એરિયા વર્ડ જ નથી. એ તો કર્વ સરફેસ એરિયા યા લેટર સરફેસ એરિયા વર્ડથી યુઝ થાય છે. બટ પહેલેથી જ આ સિલેબસ ચાલ્યું આવે છે તો પહેલાના જે ફેકલ્ટીઝ છે એને ખાલી સરફેસ એરિયા નામ આપી દીધું છે. તો તમે આ વસ્તુ ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો. રિયલમાં ઇટ્સ look like a curved surface and not just lateral surface area, but અહીંયા ખાલી surface area જ use કરેલો છે. તો total surface area કીધું તો બધાને લઈ લેવાનું અને ખાલી surface area કીધો તો rectangle part ને લેવાનું. તો ચલો હવે એના formula જોઈ લઈએ. Yes, this is your cylinders. Look here. All things represent a beautiful cylinders. Cylinders that has a two circle, upper and lower part. Circle, that's when it has a radius and it has a some height. So this is your radius and this is height. If you think about the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. If the area of the circle is a pi r square and their height, it's just a product of the circumference and their height is represent surface area. And the volume is a quantity what is the capacity of the cylinder. You just put anything. This thing is represent its volume and the volume is a pi r square. So they are the two formula which you have. Look at the formula and remember it. These are the some configuration. How could we create the curve surface area, then total surface area and volume. Here we can use in place of the curve surface area is just a surface area and the total surface area is represented like a total surface area. Curve surface area ને આપણે ટ્યુટોરિયલ અંદર ખાલી surface area જ કીધું છે અને total surface area ની અંદર આપણે એનો total surface area છે એના માટે ચિંતા નહીં કરતા. તો curve surface area ની અંદર ખાલી આ rectangle નો area કાઉન્ટ કરીએ છીએ. ટોટલ સરફેસ એની અંદર આ રેક્ટેંગલ પાર્ટ અને આ બંને સર્કલ ને કાઉન્ટ કરીએ છીએ અને વોલ્યુમ તો તમને ખબર છે કેટલી અંદર કેપેસિટી છે. સો રિમેમ્બર ધીસ ટુ ફોર્મ્યુલા ઓલવેઝ. સો લુક હિયર. Yes. So these three formula you must remember it. The first is curve surface area. That means the surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. And total surface area and the two area of the circles 2 pi r plus h and their volume. Look here, I am giving the example, I am giving the formula to you, which will help you more. Here, suppose it's your cylinder and the surface area. Remember it. The surface area is length of this area of this curve. This thing, it's L into H. Okay, L into B. L is a 2 pi r into H. H is represent a height. So it is a 2 pi r H. Rectangle નો એરિયા શું થશે? આ હાઈટ ને h કહી દીધું છે, L ને 2 pi r કીધું છે એટલા માટે કારણ તમે ભૂંગળું મારશો ને તે સર્કલ રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરે. ઓકે, હવે સર્કલ નો તો તમને ખબર જ છે એનું પરિઘ કેટલું હોય 2 pi r. તો પહેલું થઈ ગયું સરફેસ એરિયા ઓફ ધ સિલિન્ડર. સેકન્ડ ટોટલ સરફેસ એરિયા. ટોટલ સરફેસ એરિયા ની શું કીધું છે? આ પાર્ટ તો આવશે રેક્ટેંગલ પણ એની અંદર બે સર્કલ વધી જશે. તો ટોટલ સરફેસ એરિયા એટલે સરફેસ એરિયા પ્લસ 2 circles, area of 2 circles. 2 times area circle. Circles area. કારણ કે બે સર્કલ એડ કરી નાખે ને અને બંધ કરીએ તો surface area છે 2 pi r h and 2 as it is circle નો area છે pi r square. Common is 2 is in both equation, r is also and h is also. So common 2 pi r common from it. Then formula of the total surface area is 2 common, pi common, r common, it's h plus r. Where h is a height. This is your height. and R is a radius. And their volume, that's mean the capacity. And the capacity of it is just the pi r square h. Pi r, that's mean the area of the circles, and h is height. So remember this three formula. Surface area is just 2 pi r h. If we take the total surface area, including the two circle, it's represent 2 pi r. H plus r या r plus h. Addition is a commutative. तो તમે એને h plus r plus h લખી શકો and their volume is pi r square h. તો સ્ટુડન્ટ આ ટ્યુટોરિયલ અંદર તમારે આ ત્રણ ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખવાના છે. Now we taking their examples. So you must remember these two formula. Surface area is just 2 pi r h. R is a radius and h is height. Total surface area, the surface area plus the area of two circles. You can just remember the last formula, okay? Not their simplification, only the last formula. And the volume is pi r square h. So let me start some example related to related to the sphere. No, related to the cylinder. Yes. So look here, what they ask to you find. Here the two type of cylinder. You can tell me. First of all, you can find the surface area, total surface area, and volume. So look here, the circle's part is represent a radius. So it's r. In height, it's represent h. So both quantity, it is a no yet, but I'm giving two. It's a 3 centimeter and it's a 6 centimeter. Similarly, it's a 3 centimeter and a 5 centimeter. It's their height, right? Yes, and it's this centimeter. It's height. So let me find. I'm trying to solve this cylinder. This is for you. Tell me this answer. 6 and 7. I'm doing the 3 and 5. Look at the first of all surface area. That's mean the 2 pi r h. Put the value of all. By default, you can take the value of pi is 22 by 7. R is a 3 and H is a 5. Take their sum and divide. So it's represent (94.28) centimeter square, because the area always represents any quantity square. Second, a total surface area, that is a formula is 2 pi r plus h, yeah, h plus r. Put their all values. 22 by 7 into r is 3. In the product r plus h, it's a 5 plus 3, yeah, 3 plus 5. Now take the sum. 2 into 22 into 6, 6 into 22 into 3 plus 5, it's 8, and whole divide by 7, which is 150 point something. Total surface area also represent area, so its its unit is centimeters square. Now the last thing, it's a volume. So formula of the volume is a pi r square h. Put their all value, the given equation. Pi is represented 22 by 7. R, that's mean 3. It's a 2 times 3 into 3, and height is 5. Take the product and divide by 7. So it is 141.42. Volume always represented 3 quantity, R square, that means centimeter into centimeter, and H also in centimeter. So it is a centimeter cube. So these are the examples. Hope you clear? Now tell me the answer of the next one.
Ma'am,
Yes?
surface area and answer 264 centimeters square hours.
Just a second. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now tell me the answer.
264 centimeters square surface area.
Okay, surface area is 264 centimeter square.
Total
Okay,
surface area no 490.28.
1 second. Total surface area is 190,
490.
490,
490.28.
490.28. Also centimeter square.
Centimeters and a volume of 56 of 565.75 centimeter cube.
56.565.
565.71
Okay. 0.71 centimeter cube. So the student, you must look the examples answer which you get. All the student, please try it to solve the example. So remember this two formula. If they ask you surface area, you just take a 2 pi r h. Total surface area means the surface area of cylinder plus 2 times of areas of circles, and the volume is represent the capacity of your cylinder. So look here, the more example, let me try. This question in your homework, not to solve here, because we discussed the all thing. Here you have a radius and height. Okay, and you can find their volume and the surface area. Look here, you just find the surface area only, not the total surface area. So this thing is your homework. It's a very easy example. It's not need to solve it. Here, the next example on your screen, look here. Yes. Here the base radius of the cylinder is 11 centimeter. Their height is 20 centimeter. They calculate the total surface area and the volume. Student, here you can find the total surface area and the volume. The two quantities are given. It's again very easy example. Radius is 11 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. They ask you to find the total surface area and volume. So first of all, we can find the total surface area. The formula of the total surface area is it's a 2 pi r plus h, yeah, h plus r. Addition is commutative. Put the value of given term. This is 222 by 7 and r is 11 plus r, it's 11 plus 20. 11 into 44 into 11 into 7 into 11 plus 12, it's 31. Divide by 7. Take the product and divide by 7. So it is a 2 and 4. 42 centimeters square. Now their volume is, it's a pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. R is square. Then R is 11. 11 into 11 into height. Height is 20 centimeter only. Take the product and divide by 7. So it is a 7605.71 centimeter cube. So this is the answer. Hope you clear. Just formula based examples. But remember, they ask to find the total surface area, not a surface area. Now the next question which is on screen. Look here. The second question, it's a very easy. But here, not the radius are given. You have a diameter. So anyone know about the relation between the radius and diameter? Remember it here or not? The relation between the radius and diameter. Yes. If you know, so tell me. What is the relation between them? Kindly unmute yourself and give your answer. No need to type everything in chat box. ચલો જેટલાને આવડે એ લોકો આન્સર આપો. Diameter અને radius વચ્ચેનો relation શું છે? Is there any network issue? If you are not.
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon, madam.
A very good afternoon.
Relationship between diameter and radius. Both they are using 2 pi r. and also at the same time you can also use 3.4 centimeter.
Not Lulu. I'm asking you another question. It's not your. I just want to know about the relation between the diameter and radius, not the value of pi. Okay. Let I give you. Don't worry. It's a good try. Look here. Student, you must remember this is your circle. This is your radius. And this whole thing is represent their diameter. This is the whole thing. It's the diameter. So diameter is always twice of radius. So these are the relation between the diameter and radius. Okay. If I want the radius, I make the subject and it's d by 2. So there are the relation between the diameter and the radius. This line segment is known as a diameter. Diameter is always half of radius. In other words, you can say diameter is always a twice of radius. Sorry. Diameter always a double of radius. And the radius is always half of diameter. So these are the relation between them. Okay, understood? Remember this thing. Because sometimes they give you the radius and sometimes they give you the diameter. Here they are asking you, the diameter is given is a 12 centimeter. So this is your cylinder maybe, and this all things are given. This full length. This full length represents the diameter. Hope you remember. Don't forget it every time. So we have given that the diameter is 12 centimeter. And we know the relation between them. So radius, I just need the radius to find the surface area and volume of the cylinder. So I convert the diameter into the radius. Then the relation is radius is always half of diameter. So put the value of diameter is 12 centimeter. And which is divided by 2. That means your radius is a 6 centimeter. And height also given. And height is 8 centimeters. So we are now I'm fine. I find the surface area and volume. So the surface area's formula it's okay, good. It's a 2 pi RH. Put the all thing. It's a 2 pi is 22 by 7. R we derive from the diameter. Diameter is 12 and the radius is half of diameter. It's 6 centimeter. And your height is 8 centimeter. Take the product and divide by 7. It's a 301. 71. All the quantity here unit is centimeter. It's a centimeter square. Now I'm fine. Now I'm finding the volume. So let me do. The volume is represented pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. R is we derived, it's 6 into 6. And height is 8. Take the product. So it's a 1810.28 centimeter cube. So these are the equations.
મેમ આન્સર નથી આવતો.
આન્સર નથી આવતો? શું થયું? કેમ નથી આવતો? પેલા તો
95.40 આવે છે.
એક મિનિટ. કેનો આન્સર નથી આવતો તારે?
વોલ્યુમ નો મેમ.
તો કેટલો આવે છે વોલ્યુમ?
905.14 સેન્ટીમીટર ક્યુબ.
હાઉ? ક્વોન્ટિટી કઈ મૂકી છે?
આજ મૂકી છે મેમ ફોર્મ્યુલા.
હાથ મૂકી છે તો એ અલગ અલગ આન્સર. કે ચલો હું જોઈ લઉં. Okay, right. This is absolutely right. So volume is 905.14 centimeter cube. So these are the answer. So we can find surface area and volume of the cylinder. Hope you remember the oil formula. Just remind it. If they ask you to find the surface area, put this formula. If the total surface area is 2 pi r plus n, and volume is always fixed, it's a pi r square h. So the Lulu and Divya both done very good. I think the remaining students are going on the sleeping mode. Because this is the time too. After lunch, I think you all students are in the sleeping mode during the mathematics lectures. Because only 2 students are take part in the class. Student, if during the lecture, I don't care, but I need the result. If you have any doubt, tell me, but always I need the result. સ્ટુડન્ટ સુઈ જાઓ તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં. જે પણ કરતા હોય ક્લાસની અંદર તમે આન્સર આપી શકો, ના આપી શકો, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ, બટ રિઝલ્ટની અંદર પ્રોબ્લેમ ન થવી જોઈએ. ઇટ્સ અ વોર્નિંગ ફોર ઓલ ઓફ યુ. Now the next question on your screen, which is, yes, it's a very easy example. Could you find it? You have a pipe. Whose height is 2 centimeter, length it's 10 centimeter, then find the total surface area and their volume. This is the closed pipe, okay? So don't need worry. Oh, look here, this is your pipe. Suppose it's your pipe. The cylindrical sac pipe whose radius is, this part you have radius, and it is a 2 centimeter. And it's long. That's the length of the pipe. This thing which you have, it's called the height. And height is 10 centimeter. So you can find the volume and the surface area, total surface area. This capacity and the curve, then surface area. This total surface area, that's mean including these 2 circle also. So let you find and tell me the answer. All the class, full class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
total surface area and answer 150.85 centimeter square.
Okay. This total surface area. Tell me the digit one by one.
150.85.
150.85 centimeters square.
And a
Right. And
volume
the
of 125.71
125.71 centimeter
centimeter.
cube. So answer of the question is it on your screen. Calculate it before submit your tutorial. Look the student. Now the next thing, which is this is the your tutorial of one portion is completed. The all the example of the cylinder we will be completed here. Now we are moving on the next thing, and which is the a sphere. So there are some example. We can use the sphere in every way. The word map, the tennis ball, football, then many fruits. They all have a sphere shape. This is a sphere. This part centered to end of surface. This constant distance is known as the radius. The all things here, the all things it's represent a circles, but it's not a circle. It's a sphere. Sphere is a such a quantity which have a some space which occupied in the 3 dimension, and the circle is just a single disk, okay, which have a no height, but the sphere have something height. But sphere is not depend on the height, okay? It's just open thing. Look here, the closed part, center to closed part represent a circle. The sphere is a collection of the many circles, but whose radius and their length will be decreased to going on the upper to bottom. ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો આ બધા સર્કલ્સ છે ને મોટા એક સૌથી એક મોટો સર્કલ એની ઉપર 1 by 1 ગોઠવતા જાવ નાના નાના સર્કલ કરીને તો તમને એક સ્ફિયર મળી જશે પણ બધાનું સેન્ટર એક જ હશે અને ડાયામીટર સૌથી મોટેથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરો તો ડાયામીટર પણ સેક અને આ બધા જે નાના નાના સર્કલ સ્લાઇડ હોય ને આપણે ફ્રી હોય ને તો આપણે કોઈન છે ને સૌથી મોટો કોઈન હોય એની પર બીજો કોઈન હોય એના પછી 1 by 1 કોઈન મૂકતા જશો પણ થોડી થોડી લેન્થ ઘટાડતું જવાનું તો તમને એક સ્ફિયર મળી જશે. તો સ્ફિયર ઇઝ ડિપેન્ડ ઓન ધ સર્કલ. ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું એ આ બધા ગ્રેટ સર્કલ ઉપરથી બધા સ્ફિયર મળે છે પણ એને 1 by 1 એની લેન્થ ઘટાડતા જાય છે મીન્સ કલેક્શન ઓફ ધ પોઈન્ટ વિલ બી ડિક્રીઝિંગ. હવે આગળ so remember this three quantity. This represents the center, radius and the diameter. The diameter it's a twice of radius. Here, sphere is a round shape. It has just a surface area, not a surface total surface area, because the surface area is covering the all part of sphere. તે ખાલી અહીંયા surface area છે અને total surface area નથી કારણ કે આને કઈ આપણે open અને close નથી કરવાનું. If you cut your sphere, it's converted to the hemisphere. Any balls, any cutting ball, your bowl, it's represent a hemisphere, but hemisphere not in your syllabus, so not we discuss more in about it. તો અહીંયા આપણે કઈ સ્ફિયર કઈ ખોલવાનો અને બંધ કરવાનો નથી અને અપર અને ટોપ કોઈ બાઉન્ડ્રીઝ નથી because there is a whole represent curve. આખું સર્કલ જ છે તો એ ખાલી represent કરશે એક જ quantity, it's a surface area. And volume, that's mean the thing which capacity of the sphere. તો એની અંદર તમને મળશે it's a 4/3 pi r cube. Remember this formula. So look here, This is the, why it's a 4 pi r square? Because look here, I represent the two circle here. This is the one circle whose area is pi r square. The second circle, it's a pi r square. If I draw here the new circle, okay, so this is again a pi r square. It's not a good, but it's like a circle. And if I draw the here again, so it's the fourth time of circle which represents this cross figure. Okay, this one and this one. So this whole figure represent a full square. They give us the four circles. So area of the one circle is a 4 pi r square. The sum of all areas is a 4 pi r square. So surface area also the sum of all things. So students, please remember these two things. So the student, remember these two formulas, surface area and volume. They are not asking to anytime you can find the total surface area because the sphere is all sphere is in the full quantity, not a half quantity. And half quantity, it is a represent the hemisphere. ખાસ આ વસ્તુ યાદ રાખજો આ જે તમારો સ્પિયર છે ને એને ક્યારેય કટ નથી કરતા એનો અપર અને ટોપર બાવ કોઈ પણ પાર્ટ નથી હોતો એ આખું ફૂલ આમ ગોલ જ હોય છે તો એને તમે ગમે રીતે ફેરવો ગોલ જ રહેવાનો અને તમે ગમે તે વખત મૂવ કરશો એ બધી જગ્યાથી સેમ જ રહેશે તો આને તમારો સરફેસ એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે ખાલી એક જ ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખવાના છે અને એનું વોલ્યુમ તો યાદ રાખજો તો અહીંયા આપણે બહુ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ નહીં ડિસ્કશન કરીએ direct going through the first example. Remember these two formula. Surface area is a 4 pi r square because the sphere is a collection of the four circles. Look here, the next one is here. You can find the surface area and volume of sphere. Look here, I'm using the first radius. Its radius is r. This is your sphere. Its center. If I draw the one sphere here, one circle, the second circle is here. If you draw the third circle, if you want, this part, it's represent the third circle. And the last circle. This is your last circle. This four circle, it's represent a sphere. But it's hard to see every time. Okay. Now I'm going to start our examples. Here the radius is given. It's a 0.5 meter. 0.05 meter. First of all, we can find the surface area. So the surface area, it's a 4 pi r square. Put the whole thing. It's a 4 pi is 22 by 7. R is 0.05 twice. Take this sum. Take the product and divide by 7. It's a 0.03. Meter into meter, it's a meter square. Now find the volume. Volume, it's a 4 by 3 pi r cube. It's a 4 by 3. It's a 22 by 7 into 3 times 0.05 cube. Cube means this quantity multiplied by 3 times itself. It's a 0.00052. It's a meter cube. Hope you remember. Please remember it. These are the examples. Remember these two formula to find it. So next to in your homework. Now the next example on your screen. This example just to give the brief introduction about the formula. Now the next one. Here, find the radius of sphere and their volume. So first of all, we can find the radius, this quantity. And we have surface area. So you have given surface area. This is the 165 meters square. And I want to find radius and volume. Okay, let me try to find the surface area and the volume. Good, all of you. This is your last question which we solved. This question only represents the formula based question. Now the second is something new. Here you have a surface area, then you can find the volume. So the formula of the surface area is, first of all, I have a surface area. It's a 165 meters square. Put the formula of the surface area. Surface area, that means 4 pi r square is equal to 165 meters square. I want to find the radius. So look here, r square is a subject. This is a 4 pi r. It's going on the denominator of the 165. So 165, it's divided by 4 pi meters square. Put the value of pi. Pi is a 22 by 7. So it is r square is equal to 165. 4 pi is a 22 by 7. This 7 is going here. Expand it, simplify it. 165 divided by, and that product. 165 multiplied by 7, which is divided by 88. So it gives to you 13.125. I want r, not r square. So the r is equal to, it's the square root of 13.125. Find the square root of this. It's a 3 point something. So your radius is 3.6 meter. Okay, it's a meter. Okay. Square and square gives to you. So what we can do? We have a surface area. Using the formula of the surface area of the sphere, we can find the radius. So first term is over. We are able to find the radius. Now put the radius in the volume. So volume of the sphere is your radius is 3.62. Formula of the volume for the sphere is 4/3 r cube. Put the whole thing 522/7 r. It's a cube of 622 meter. And meter cube is meter cube. Take product and divide. So the student it's a 198. Hope you clear? First of all, by the formula of the surface area, you can subject your radius. Your radius is 3.62. Taking the square is converted to the square root. Now, the surface area. R is given. Okay. And put the value of R in the volumes formula. You get the volume. And your volume of the given question is 198.78 meter cube. Hope you clear? Now, if you have any doubt about this two quantity, so tell me. Get this question 200 centimeter square surface area in your homework. You can try. If you have no doubt, if you are not able to do, if you are not able to solve, then tell me. Otherwise, you are free from today. Here your tutorial number 2.5 with your unit number 2 mensuration over. All tutorial of your unit 2 it's over. Here just this chapter is a very easy. Okay. So today I complete the one topic also, the cylinder and the sphere. Remember this formula in your mid example, which is whose syllabus is just to this figure perimeter and areas. Note you need to remember the 3D figure, that's mean their surface area, total surface area and volume. Just remember the formula of a 2D figure which represent the area and perimeter. So this is your syllabus for your mid exam. And the first unit is whole first unit and second thing is unit number 2. These two quantities, area and perimeters. તો સ્ટુડન્ટ આજે આપણે આપણો ટોપિક જે હતો ટ્યુટોરિયલ નંબર 2.5 એ કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયું છે. એના રિલેટેડ એટલા સિમ્પલ એક્ઝામ્પલ જ તમારી એક્ઝામમાં હશે. તો આની સાથે આપણે ટ્યુટોરિયલ 2.5 અને યુનિટ નંબર 2 એના બધા ટ્યુટોરિયલને કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દીધા છે. નેક્સ્ટ થી જ્યારે મળશું ત્યારે આપણે ન્યૂ ચેપ્ટર નંબર 3 trigonometrics સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું. તો I give you some advice when I will start unit number 3 trigonometry. You just refer your 9th and 10th, maybe 10th NCERT maths book trigonometrics, and just refer it. It don't need to give the all definition to me. You just refer it, and one time you can just take out our overlook, and it's easy to make you our next topic. It's very easy, but which is depend on the 10th class also, and you all are past 10th class, and for that you hear. But if you are free, you just look your 10th class NCERT books and show your trigonometric unit. તો આજ માટે એટલું રાખીએ. Next day મળશું. So all students, please unmute yourself and be ready for the attendance. You are free from today. We completed the first 2.5. All students, please unmute yourself. Have any query about this topic? Anyone have? Okay. Number 1, Madina. Number, okay. Number 3,
Present,
Ira?
ma'am.
Okay. Now you are free to leave the class. You are free. Okay. Number 3, Dia, done. Number 4,
Present.
okay. Number 5, number 6,
Present, madam.
okay. Number 7, number 8,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Number 9,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Number 10,
Present, ma'am.
okay. 11,
મેડમ એને નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે એ છે ને આમાં નાખી દીધી અટેન્ડન્સ.
okay. 12, 13, 'yes', 14,
Present, ma'am.
okay. 15,
Present, ma'am.
okay. 16,
Present, ma'am.
okay. 17,
madam.
Present, ma'am.
okay. Who are you? William.
Number 2. Present, ma'am.
Okay, done. Well done. 18 number, 19, 20,
Present.
okay. 21, 22. Chalo, 21, 22, nothing. If you have any network issue, you put your
Ma'am.
attendance in chat box. Yes.
And ma'am, 13 number.
કેટલા?
13.
13. Yes, થઈ ગયો. થઈ ગયો બેટા. Right. So today I'm stopped here. So enjoy your remaining day.
22, ma'am. Present.
Okay, 22 done.
Ma'am, 21 also. He has a night issue.
Okay. 21 and 22 both are done. Okay, now you can go and enjoy. Have a good day. Stay at home.
મેમ
Yes.
લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર ની ફ્રાઈડે ની નોટ્સ હજી
Yes.
અપલોડ
Yes.
નથી.
हाँ, but आज कर दे. So, without paper fail, I can do it. Okay.
ઓકે મેમ.